Okay, it looks like I've got the good fortune of kicking things off, and with 4 minutes on the clock, I'm just going to dive right in. So my name's Corey Kirkus. I lead the business development efforts at Datifex, and we build immersive 3D web applications primarily for operations. So I just want to start at a point where I think we can all agree, and that's that more data doesn't necessarily make things easier, and new technology can often introduce complexity before it provides any dividends. So we're left dealing with disparate sources of data, tools that rarely integrate and often leave us using things that aren't much more sophisticated than spreadsheets and PowerPoints to communicate information. And ultimately, all of those still require human context to become useful. So from Datifex's perspective, what we believe is information should be easy to access, understand, and control, that anybody anywhere should have access to a single source of truth, and that common operational picture should be able to integrate data from any source and give users the ability to put it into 3D context and control the information, all with the intention of building a foundation to integrate additional technologies. So with that, Datifex simplifies complex operations by providing users with the ability to visualize and control information and assets. And what you can see here is that in the context of a port. And we've got lots of experience in the transportation sector, down in the US with GE Transportation and BNSF Railway. A couple quick points on some of the features and competitive advantages here is that all of this is built off of a game engine core that we've optimized, and then we've built the middleware and libraries to integrate data in real time and built the web applications on top of that so companies can integrate their processes and really control these environments. It's lightweight, all you need is a browser, no downloads or extensions required, and 100% Canadian owned, 100% Canadian IP. So we're a member of the Innovative Solutions Canada program, and we've worked with a number of departments and agencies from CBSA to NRC. But what you can see here is some of the work we've done with probably our most significant partner, and that's the Royal Canadian Navy. And this is our flagship project, which is the Smart Dockyard Management System. And what we're looking at is digital twins of CFB Halifax and Esquimalt, where we've built that common operational picture by starting to integrate different data sources to provide an overview of what's happening on base in a given day. And that's everything from what each ship is doing at which jetty, what facilities are available in terms of the kiosks, cranes, and all the information that might be relevant to safety in terms of just assets that need to be maintained over the course of a period of time. From this, we have had a lot of things expand off of it, and one of them is tools for fleet certification and asset maintenance, and this has gained a lot of momentum with DND's Maritime Equipment Program Management team right now, and the marine engineers there, because what we've done is taken all the data from Fleetway and put it into our immersive environment so that they can now manage and plan their work periods for the Halifax class in this environment. And they actually started using the prototype before we had a separate database for them in production to plan for the HMCS Toronto's dry dock work period. So again, this has got some legs, and we've done this for other assets, and we've done some more work with the Navy in terms of training. If there's any former sailors in here, we're totally reinventing the Know Your Ship curriculum, so that's exciting for a few of the future sailors. All this may seem like quite a bit to bite off and chew, but we implement these projects incrementally with an agile process, and we start with basic use cases. It all starts with the digital infrastructure, and we look at use cases for training and simulation so that we can start to integrate legacy data, tombstone data, basically just flat files to give information context. But all that builds the foundation and the system to integrate APIs and more complex information for situational awareness, command and control, and to start to integrate optimization algorithms and other such features. So with that, we're right on time, and my name's Corey Kirkus, again, leading business development, and I'll be around here all afternoon if anybody wants to chat. Thank you.